Echoes in Ebony, a journey into the world of black trees. Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of black trees. Today we'll explore 6 unique species, their origins, characteristics and uses. These remarkable organisms, cloaked in shades from the deepest ebony to the richest, dark browns, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time and the intricate dance of nature. They are not merely botanical specimens, they are pillars of ecosystems, sources of invaluable resources and symbols of resilience and majesty that have captivated human imagination for millennia. Our exploration will take us across continents, from the dense forests of North America to the sun-drenched savannas of Africa and the tropical wetlands of Central America. We shall delve into the very heartwood of these trees, uncovering the secrets of their dark coloration, the incredible strength of their timber and the unique chemical compounds they produce. Each tree tells a story of adaptation, of co-evolution with its environment, and of a profound relationship with humankind, who has long revered, utilized, and sometimes tragically overexploited these natural wonders. Prepare to be astonished by the diversity and significance of these dark titans of the plant kingdom, from the black walnut, with its soil-altering chemistry, to the legendary ebony, whose wood is as dark as night itself, and the logwood, which once painted the world in hues of purple and black. This is more than just a study of trees. It is an appreciation of nature's artistry and a reminder of the precious biodiversity that graces our planet, urging us to look closer and understand more deeply. The black walnut, a North American legacy of strength and shadow. Our first encounter brings us to the temperate woodlands of eastern North America, the ancestral home of the black walnut, or this magnificent deciduous tree, often found standing sentinel along fertile riverbanks and within the embrace of rich, well-drained forest soils, can ascend to impressive heights of 30, sometimes even 40 meters. Its presence is commanding, its silhouette a familiar feature of the landscape. The bark itself is a study in texture and tone, deeply furrowed and ranging from a robust dark brown to an almost somber black, hinting at the treasures concealed within its formidable trunk. It is a tree that speaks of endurance, a true monarch of these forests. The true marvel of the black walnut, however, lies beneath this rugged exterior. Its heartwood, a rich tapestry of dark brown hues, occasionally streaked with purplish black, is renowned not only for its arresting beauty, but also for its exceptional durability and strength. For centuries, Native American tribes skillfully fashioned tools, resilient weapons, and enduring furniture from its timber, understanding its intrinsic qualities. Later, early European settlers, too, recognized its value, prizing it for crafting exquisite fine furniture, the sturdy gun stocks of their firearms, and elegant, long-lasting flooring. And let us not forget its fruit. The nuts, encased in their green husks, are not only edible, but are also a cherished ingredient in a variety of culinary and baking traditions. Beyond its physical attributes and utility, the black walnut possesses a fascinating, almost alchemical characteristic. It produces a potent chemical compound known as juglone, which is exuded from its roots and leaves into the surrounding soil. This substance acts as a natural herbicide, subtly inhibiting the growth of certain other plant species in its vicinity, a remarkable strategy for reducing competition for vital resources. This silent chemical warfare shapes the very composition of the plant communities around it, showcasing the complex and often unseen interactions that define our natural world. It is a testament to the intricate balance of life and the subtle power wielded by these silent giants. Ebony, the prized darkness of ancient forests. We now journey to the tropical climes of Africa, Asia, and the island of Sri Lanka, lands that nurture the legendary ebony trees, species primarily from the genus. These trees are synonymous with the deepest, most lustrous black, for it is their heartwood, incredibly dense, exceptionally heavy, and as jet black as a moonless night, that has captured human fascination for millennia. Ebony trees are patient growers, their development a slow, deliberate process that often spans many decades, even centuries, before they reach full maturity. This unhurried growth contributes significantly to the wood's remarkable density and its almost mythical status, a treasure slowly formed by time itself. The allure of ebony is not a recent phenomenon. Its history is interwoven with the chronicles of ancient civilizations. The great pharaohs of Egypt, the philosophers of Greece, and the emperors of Rome all held ebony in the highest esteem. They sought it out for crafting intricate statues that seemed to hold the shadows within them, for luxurious furniture that spoke of power and prestige, and for delicate inlays that adorned their most precious objects. In our modern era, this reverence continues. Ebony remains the wood of choice for creating world-class musical instruments, particularly woodwinds, where its density contributes to a clear, resonant tone. It is also sought after for exquisite luxury carvings and sophisticated decorative items, its profound blackness offering a dramatic contrast and an unparalleled elegance. Yet this enduring desirability has cast a long shadow over the future of some ebony species. The relentless demand driven by its beauty and value has led to widespread over-harvesting across its native ranges. Consequently, several species of ebony are now classified as endangered, their very existence hanging precariously in the balance. This unfortunate reality has, thankfully, spurred vital conservation efforts. Initiatives aimed at sustainable harvesting, reforestation, and the protection of existing ebony forests are underway, a crucial attempt to ensure that this magnificent black heartwood does not vanish from our world, but continues to inspire awe for generations to come. The story of ebony is thus a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between human desire and nature's capacity to provide. The black pine, a resilient sentinel of rugged terrains. Our journey now takes us to the often harsh and demanding landscapes of southern Europe and Asia Minor, the native domain of the black pine. This is a conifer of remarkable fortitude, thriving where many other trees might falter. It establishes itself on rocky, unforgiving soils and clings steadfastly to steep mountainous regions, its dark silhouette a common and reassuring sight against the skyline. The black pine can attain considerable heights, typically ranging from 20 to an impressive 55 meters, its form often shaped by the winds and weather of its exposed habitats. Its bark, a key identifier, is distinctively dark, varying from a somber grey to a true deep black, and is often broken into scaly plates, adding to its rugged appearance. The needles, characteristically long and borne in pairs, are a dense dark green, contributing to the tree's overall somber and imposing mien. The utility of the black pine is as robust as its appearance. It is a significant species in forestry, valued for its strong and versatile timber. This wood finds its way into a multitude of applications, from general construction where its resilience is appreciated, to the crafting of sturdy furniture and the production of paper pulp, a testament to its widespread usefulness. Beyond its commercial value, the black pine is also highly regarded as an ornamental tree, its dignified form and dark foliage bringing a touch of wild grandeur to parks and large gardens. Its adaptability to various soil types and climatic conditions further enhances its appeal in landscape design, making it a popular choice for creating shelter belts and windbreaks. Perhaps equally important, though less immediately visible, is the black pine's crucial ecological role, particularly in challenging environments. It is a key species in efforts to combat soil erosion, its extensive root systems binding the earth on steep slopes and preventing land degradation. Furthermore, it plays a vital part in reforestation projects, especially in landscapes that have been scarred by fire, overgrazing, or other disturbances. Its ability to colonize and stabilize such areas makes it an invaluable ally in the restoration of ecosystems, helping to pave the way for other species and to return barren lands to verdant life. The black pine, therefore, stands not just as a source of timber, but as a true guardian of the land. Chapter 4. African Blackwood, the melodious heart of the savanna. We venture now into the arid and semi-arid landscapes of Africa, particularly the dry woodlands and savannas of countries like Tanzania and Mozambique. Here, amidst the acacia and baobab, grows a tree of exceptional value and unique acoustic properties, the African Blackwood. This is not a towering giant of the forest, but rather a smaller, often multi-stemmed tree, perfectly adapted to its challenging environment where water is scarce and the sun beats down relentlessly. Its true treasure is concealed within, a heartwood that is extraordinarily dense, incredibly hard, and possesses a color that ranges from a very deep, rich brown to an almost pure, polished black. This remarkable wood is one of the densest and hardest known, a quality that defines its primary uses. The fame of African Blackwood is intrinsically linked to the world of music, for it is this exceptionally stable and tonally superior wood that is highly prized above almost all others for crafting fine musical instruments. The clear, bright tones of clarinets, the rich, complex notes of oboes, and the stirring, resonant drones of bagpipes are often born from this remarkable African timber. Instrument makers cherish it for its ability to be machined to precise tolerances and for its resistance to changes in humidity and temperature, ensuring the enduring quality of the music it helps create. Beyond the orchestra and the band, its beauty and durability also lend it to the creation of exquisite fine furniture and intricate, detailed carvings, each piece a testament to the wood's inherent quality. However, much like its namesake, ebony, the African Blackwood faces a precarious future. Its slow growth rate, coupled with a high demand and, in many areas, unsustainable harvesting practices, has led to a significant decline in its populations. It is now widely considered a threatened species, with international efforts underway to manage its trade and promote its conservation. The challenge lies in balancing the cultural and economic importance of this wood with the urgent need to protect it for future generations. Sustainable forestry initiatives, community involvement, and the exploration of alternative materials are all part of the complex solution required to ensure that the music derived from African Blackwood does not fall silent due to its disappearance from the wild. Chapter 5. The Black Locust, a hardy pioneer, forging fertile ground. Our exploration now returns to North America, specifically to the southeastern United States, the native heartland of the black locust. Though originating here, this is a tree of remarkable adaptability, one that has successfully naturalized itself across many parts of the world, often thriving where other species struggle. It is a true pioneer, frequently colonizing disturbed sites and flourishing even in poor, infertile soils. One of its most fascinating characteristics, and a key to its success, is its symbiotic relationship with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. These microorganisms reside in nodules on its roots, converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form usable by the tree, thereby enriching the soil around it for itself and, eventually, for other plants too. The appearance of the black locust is quite distinctive. Its bark, particularly on mature trees, is a dark greyish-brown to near black and is deeply etched with intersecting rope-like furrows, creating a rugged, almost sculptural texture. While its feathery, pinnately compound leaves lend it a certain delicacy in summer, and its fragrant white pea-like flowers are a delight in spring, it is the wood of the black locust that commands the most attention for its practical qualities. This wood is exceptionally hard, incredibly dense, and boasts a remarkable natural resistance to rot and decay. These inherent properties make it one of an elite group of timbers that can endure direct contact with the ground for decades without succumbing to the elements or insect attack. Given these outstanding characteristics, it is no surprise that black locust wood is highly valued for a variety of demanding outdoor applications. It is a premier choice for fence posts, renowned for their longevity, and for durable, hard-wearing flooring, especially in high-traffic areas. Its strength and resistance to decay also make it ideal for outdoor furniture, decking, and even for constructing playground equipment. Beyond these uses, the black locust, much like the black pine, plays an important role in ecological restoration. Its soil-enriching properties and rapid growth make it invaluable for erosion control on depleted lands, and for the challenging task of land reclamation in areas scarred by mining or industrial use. Truly a tree that heals the earth. Chapter 6. Logwood, the alchemist's tree and its tincture of history. Our final destination takes us to the warm, humid climes of Central America, particularly the tropical coastal forests and wetlands of regions like Mexico and Belize. Here we find the logwood tree, a species whose historical significance far outweighs its physical stature, which is often that of a small, somewhat gnarled tree. Its branches can be spiny, and its overall appearance might seem unassuming, yet hidden within its core lies a substance that once colored the world and shaped economies. The wood itself is notably hard and dense, with a heartwood that displays a fascinating dark reddish-brown to almost black hue when freshly cut, but its true renown comes from its extraordinary dye-producing capabilities. For centuries before the dawn of synthetic dyes, the heartwood of the logwood tree was a precious and highly sought-after commodity. It was the primary source for a rich, versatile dye known as hematoxylin, which could produce a spectrum of colors ranging from deep blues and purples to resounding blacks, depending on the mordant used. This natural colorant was of immense importance in the textile industry, used to dye fabrics, particularly wool and silk, lending them deep, lasting shades that were highly fashionable. The demand for logwood dye was so great that it became a cornerstone of colonial trade, with European powers vying for control of the regions where it grew. And its extraction and export fueled considerable economic activity and, at times, conflict. The advent of synthetic aniline dyes in the mid-19th century gradually diminished logwood's dominance in the textile world, as these new chemical dyes offered a wider range of colors and often simpler application methods. However, hematoxylin extracted from logwood has not entirely faded into obscurity. It continues to hold a vital, if niche, role in modern science, particularly in histology, where it is widely used as a stain for cell nuclei in microscopic preparations, allowing scientists and medical professionals to visualize cellular structures with remarkable clarity. Thus, the logwood tree, once a giant of the dyeing industry, now contributes to the intricate world of biological discovery, its dark heartwood still revealing secrets, albeit of a different kind. Outro: The Enduring Shadows, Reflections on Nature's Dark Marvels. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of black trees. Their unique characteristics and historical significance make them truly remarkable. From the imposing black walnut, shaping its own domain, to the precious ebony, coveted for its unparalleled darkness, and the hardy black pine, a sentinel of the mountains, each tree has unveiled a unique chapter in the grand narrative of the natural world. We have seen how African Blackwood sings through musical instruments, how the resilient black locust mends the earth, and how logwood once painted empires with its rich dyes. These 6 species, though diverse in their origins and adaptations, share a common thread, a profound connection to human history, and a vital role within their respective ecosystems. They remind us that the value of a tree extends far beyond its timber. It encompasses its ecological functions, its cultural resonance, and the sheer wonder it inspires. The deep, dark hues of their wood and bark are not merely aesthetic, they are the products of complex chemistry, of evolutionary journeys spanning millennia, and of adaptations to specific, often challenging, environments. As our journey concludes, let us carry forward a renewed appreciation for these dark wonders of nature. Their stories are a testament to the planet's incredible biodiversity and the intricate ways in which life adapts, thrives, and contributes. The mystique of black trees endures, inviting us to continue observing, learning, and protecting the natural heritage that enriches our world. Stay tuned for more fascinating journeys into the natural world, as there are always more wonders to discover, more stories to unfold.